Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video we will learn how to make momos. So let's get started. So before even making batter of the momo, what we have to do is boil the water. तो हमारे बैटर में ये सारी चीज़ें डलेंगी जो हैं कीमा, कोरिएंडर लीव्स, चॉप्ड अनियंस, नमक, रेड चिली पाउडर, वेजिटेबल ऑयल और पानी. So this is how a batter actually looks like. Now we will prepare our dough, and for that we need flour, egg, salt and of course water. Now we will make small dough and roll them into ball-like structure. It is not mandatory that it has to be perfectly in shape, and of course size is your choice. Now make sure that the surface of your momo maker is actually very greasy, because you won't struggle afterwards when your momo is ready. Now we have to roll them, but just make sure that it should not be thick. It should be as thin as possible. So since my mom is an expert, she can do it way too easily, but let me tell you guys, stuffing and rolling momo into shape is not at all easy. So you can use a gujia maker instead, or you can make any shape of the momo which you like, but just make sure that you are not leaving any space so that the air can go inside.